2016 Cadillac Escalade. I'm about to replace this common issue on Escalades, because you rest the arm here and it gets like this. The problem I have, I thought they're gonna send me the whole panel. They only send me the leather, or I ordered it wrong, I don't know, and the white stitching. So I'm gonna install it anyway, see how it turns out. So now to remove this back panel, because this is the only way you're gonna get to this, you have to lift this up. This is the wireless charging in the middle. And undo this like so. Now we can go ahead and move, I think it's 7 or 8 millimeter. It looks like 7. Now I don't see any, well, I think you just have to lift it up with the flat screwdriver. Okay, let me do that. It took a lot of force to take them out. Well, it looks like I have to stitch this. Not stitch, staple it, because I see staples all over the place. So you have to remove everything, including this thing in the middle, the trim. I'll do that and take it apart. I don't know what kind of glue is this, but this thing was strong. I can't feel my fingers no more. So now I have to glue it back on and staple it. The staple they used was so tiny, I might skip that part. Just glue and that's it. That staple is so tiny. I end up hot gluing this. It's still drying. It looks good. I'm not gonna staple it. The cover will go on top of this, cover everything. And little wrinkles over here. I should have stretched them more, especially over here. But not bad. A lot of work. Put the bracket on. And now it's time to put the cover. You gotta be careful with this sensor that controls the light inside the box. So now it's in place. To put this thing back in, we have to slide it from up down. See, they're all facing up, and there's a lot of thing over here that has to line up with the bottom one. Be careful not to break it, and that's it. I'm not super happy how it turned out, but better than before. I should have taken a video when I had this part with the stitching. Is I had to cut the inside of it. It was a lot extra on the inside of this. So with the razor blade, I cut as short as possible so it doesn't give me the bubble of it, the bump. And that's it. Looks good.